Tackling any mealtime cleanup is a breeze when you have the Equator Advanced Appliances Full-Size Dishwasher. This 24-inch 14-plate dishwasher with both top and bottom load racks is loaded with convenient features that gets you back to having fun with your family. Have a large load after a big family dinner? Use the Pots and Pans program for a deep clean. It's one of 8 programs available, plus 6 extra options for a completely customized clean. For example, select the Sanitize feature to eliminate harmful bacteria and germs to sterilize your dishes using high-temperature water. Now that's clean. And never worry about spots on your dishes with the convenient rinse aid indicator. It will remind you when it's time to refill. But say you don't have a full load, no problem. Select the half load option to save time and water. And protect your delicate wine glasses by utilizing the safe and secure wine glass rack. No more hand washing bulky dishes. Adjust the lines on the top or bottom racks for a custom fit. And adjust the height of the top rack when you just need a bit more space. The powerful dual spray arms will reach and clean every surface of your dishes. This dishwasher operates at a whisper of 51 decibels, so it's perfect to run any time of day or night. When the dishes are clean, the racks roll out with minimal effort, and the concealed heating element keeps you safe. To ensure optimal performance with every cycle, it's easy to clean the stainless steel filter. Scan the QR code to easily register your Equator 1-year parts and labor warranty. Available in white, black, and stainless steel, this full-size dishwasher is built to handle it all, and it's only available from Equator Advanced Appliances.